How to fix App Store billing problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and then tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen. Here, go ahead and tap on the payment and shipping option you see there, and further check for your payment method and update any incorrect details or card billing addresses and expired payment information if you have added any of these. See if that helps you in fixing your App Store billing problem, and if not, then check if your payment method has expired or is invalid, as if the payment method is expired or invalid, then you will not be able to add the payment method. So you can simply remove the previous payment method and then tap on the Add Payment Method option you see there, and further enter a new card number, expiration date, and CVV, and save the payment method. Also, while making the payment, make sure that your payment method has enough available funds to complete the payment process, and additionally check whether your bank allows online and international purchases or not, as if the bank disallows it, then there's nothing that you can do to fix this issue. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and scroll down and tap on the screen time option you see there, and then tap on the content and privacy restrictions option. Further, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases option and ensure that in-app purchases option is allowed, and if not, then go ahead and allow this particular option. Additionally, go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. Additionally, launch the settings application again and then tap on general and then on software update, and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version in order to function smoothly, and if not, then update your iPhone. See if that helps, and if not, then if you are still seeing an unpaid balance option, then go ahead and firstly pay the outstanding amount before making the new purchases. And if the issue still continues, then you can simply try to contact Apple support or your bank for additional assistance. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix App Store billing problem on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.